Next one, we talk about the palaces. The palaces that we need to use for this game. Okay, so we talk about the palaces. Now I'm talking about all the tools. So we talk about we have to overlay. We have to overlay 3 sets of palaces: 9 palace, 12 palace, and 16 palace. 9 palace is also what they call it the heaven plate. Okay, 天盘. Then the earth plate, they call it is referred to the 12 palace. The 16 is a human plate. Okay. So the 9 plate refer to what you have learned. On the right hand side, you see is the early trigram, where you see the qian is on top, kun is below. The trigram on your left, the later trigram, this is from the luo su, where you can find that the qian is on the northwest, kun is the southwest, south is the number 9, and 1 is the kan. Okay, so this is the luo su that most of us have learned, early trigram and later trigram. But can we use this in the Tai Yi Shen Shu? The answer is no, because the Tai Yi Shen Shu have its own set of Tai Yi 9 palace. Okay, and if you look at the 9 palace, the number 9 is no more at the south. Now it's at southeast. Okay. Number 2 is no more at the southwest. Now it's at the south. Basically, what it does is that it moves. It moves anti-clockwise 1 palace by itself. Okay. Or in another simplified way, you look at it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You look at palace 1, 2, 3. This is the first triangle. 4, 5, 6 is in the center. 7, 8, 9. There is the inverted triangle. Okay. This is the placement of the Tai Yi 9 palace. So for those who are doing the Qi Men Dun Jia, eventually one of the topic will be to bring in the 8 door. You know, Qi Men got the 8 doors, right? The parliament. This one to so-called integrate with the Tai Yi 9 palace. Okay, so how you start to flow, which door is auspicious. Of course, the auspicious will be the open door, the rest door, and the life door. But how are you going to calculate the movement? Whether are they going to move clockwise or anti-clockwise? Okay, so this one depends on time. The next set of palaces we are using is called the 12 palaces. These 12 palaces, I think, is quite commonly, if you have been doing Fengshui or Bazi, especially for those who do the Bazi, this is basically in the finger. This is a finger. Okay, for those who learn the finger method, yes. For those who do not learn the finger method, then this is how it looks like. Okay, so in Mao Chen Si Wu Wei, all this around. Okay, and if for those who learn the Zi Wei Dou Shu, if you are familiar with Zi Wei Dou Shu, you will find that the Tai Yi Shen Shu, the life destiny, or we call it Tai Yi Ming Fa. Okay, you also have quite a similar. The similar palace and the location, the sequence and arrangement is only similar from where? The parents' palace, the life palace, the sibling palace, the spouse palace, and the children palace. These 5 palaces is the same. The rest is not in the sequence as a Zi Wei Dou Shu. And if you realize one thing is that in Tai Yi Shen Shu, you do not have friend palace. The friend palace have been replaced with servant palace. The next one, you do not have a travel palace in the Tai Yi Shen Shu. It's replaced. The travel palace was replaced by the appearance palace. Okay, so this is only the 2 sessions that is different. Okay, I mean, of course, the 7 palaces, the arrangement is different from the Zi Wei Dou Shu. Okay, the one thing good